So while writing main, let's write the all the required syntax. Okay, so we have a main method here. Now what we can do here is we are going to first let pop an element. Let's create a stack first, right? So let's see what the class name is. So class name is my stack. So my stack, and let's say a drawer. We have a drawer. So we have a drawer is equals to new my stack, right? So I have created a drawer here. So as we know, inside a drawer, what we do, we put elements one by one, and we cannot access directly the bottom element. We have to remove the top elements, all the top elements first from the drawer, and then we can get the last element. So that's what we are going to do here also. What we have a drawer here, and we are inserting, let's say for now we are inserting numbers. So drawer we have, uh, let's use drawer and pop. So if you have an empty drawer, you know that it should print the stack underflow statement. That means there are no element present, and I'm also hoping the same output, but we will see if it works or not. So drawer dot push, we have drawer dot push, and let's push 10 here. So we are pushing 10 first, so 10 will be at the 0th index. Let's push some more elements. I'm pushing 20 also, 30 also, 40 also, and then let's push 50 and 60 also. So I pushed 50 and 60 also. So we can see that I'm pushing 6 elements while we have the size as 5 only. So I'm checking if this overflow condition is also working or not. And the top should be it should be -1, as we already saw that while checking if the size, we have to use the stack -1. The array size is from 0 to array size dot -1. So it indexing starts from 0 and it ends at array size dot -1. And if the size is stack size, so we have to go to till -1. So that's what I'm doing here. And now let's print this stack also. So my stack, okay, I should say drawer elements and semicolon, and then we can call drawer dot stack to string, right? And it will be returning a string to me. So till now I'm not getting any errors, and I think this should work also. So I'm going to run this file. So the first output I'm expecting is stack underflow, then stack overflow, and then all the elements, and I'm getting that only. So I have stack underflow because I popped an element and I didn't had any elements present, so the stack is empty, so nothing is deleted, and that's what we are getting, stack underflow. After that I am inserting more than 5 elements, so I'm getting stack overflow also at the 60th, as I insert the 60 inside the stack. And after that I am printing all the elements inside the drawer using the stack to string method. So that's what I have used. So for now let's remove this pop. Okay, so let's remove this prop from here. Let's keep bugging in. Okay, so let's remove this drawer from here, and let's even remove this push from here. So we have no limits right now. So I have 10 elements inside this, so I'm printing it here. And let's say I print it 2 times, so I remove it from here, I print it at 20 and I print it at 40. So now you can pause this video and you can check if you can get the output or not. So let's say if I run this, what should be the output? So you can pause this video and write it down somewhere, and then you can check if you get the correct output or not. So if you run this, you will get 20 and 10 first. So this will print 20 and 10, and then this draw stack to string will print 40, 30, 20, 10, and then 50 is inserted afterwards, so 50 will not be printed. So if I run this, you can cross check. So draw elements are 20, 10, and then you have draw elements as 40, 30, 20, and then 10. So these are this is how you can use this. Apart from this, let's pop an element also. So I'm using here draw dot pop. So as you can see, I have put a pop before printing all the elements from the stack in the second time. So you can again pause this video and you can check if you can get the correct output for this or not. So currently the correct output should be for this first stack to string method, it will be 2010. And then after this, here what happens is we insert 30 and then we insert 40, and after that we pop an element. So what is at the top? Currently at top is 40, so that will be popped here, that will be removed. After that you can see I'm printing the stack. So this will return me 30, 20 and 10. So if I run this file, we get 20, 10, and then we get 30, 20 and 10. So you can see 40 is removed using this pop, and you can print that also because a pop element is returning us an integer. So if I want to see what it's returning me, I can just simply print here element deleted is, and then the pop method. So if we see element deleted is 40, so element 40 is deleted here, as you can see. So this is the different methods of stack. This is the mainly different methods. This is push, this is pop, and this is used frequently when you use stack data structure. Apart from that, we have different ordinary methods also, which we will be talking in the future videos.